Hi everyone, I want to introduce you to my favourite trinomial, which is this one, x squared plus 10x take away 24. The reason it's my favourite is because it highlights the importance of this sign, which is often overlooked. Remember when we go to factorise a trinomial, we look at this last term and we say what factors of 24 are going to either add or subtract to give me 10. So the factors of 24 are 24 and 1, 12 and 2, 8 and 3, and 6 and 4. And at first glance, it looks like there's two answers, because 6 plus 4 gives me 10, and 12 take away 2 also gives me 10. But there's never two answers to these questions. The factorisation is unique. Most people are going to assume it's this one. So let's have a look what happens if we choose that. So into our two brackets, 6 and 4, they'd both have to be pluses in order to get the 10x. Let's expand and see what happens. We've got x squared, 4x plus 6x is indeed 10x, but here's the problem, I've got plus 24. The sign is different at the end. And that's the problem with this. You see, this sign here, remember it's coming from this multiplied by this. If I'm going to end up with a negative there, the signs have to be different. Alright, so let's do the correct factorisation this time. So this time I want 12 and 2, and I want different signs. In addition, I want positive 10x, so I'm going to make the larger of those two numbers the positive one. Let's see what happens when we expand now. So I've got x squared plus 12x take 2x is 10x, and look at that, minus 24. So let's summarise. So if we've got these two trinomials, like this one and this one here, the most important thing in both of them is this sign. If the sign is negative, then the signs in the brackets are going to be different. And it also means that this term in the middle here is going to be a difference. Remember how we got 12x take away 2x? If the sign is positive, like the one at the bottom, it means both of the signs in the brackets are going to be the same. In this case, they're going to be both positives. And it means that this here will be a sum, even if it's a sum in a negative direction. I hope that helped.